Does adding more RAM make a computer faster? Well, the answer is yes and no. Yes, because let's say if you have like 4 gigabytes of RAM on your computer and you want to do some heavy tasks like photo or video editing. Because of how heavy these tasks are for the 4 gigabytes of RAM to carry, the program or application will start to lag and will be running slow. In a scenario like this, adding more RAM to your computer will ease the pressure and make the application run much smoother. On the other hand, no, because if your computer has enough RAM to manage your programs and applications and it's still running slow, then adding 2 or 3 extra sticks of RAM will not accomplish anything, because the problem might be coming from other components on your computer like the CPU and hard disk drive. So quick question,